Hello and welcome to Prime News. First, a look at the headlines. All senior BJP leaders leave for Delhi. Leaders to meet central leadership over alliance with MGP for ZP and Assembly poll. Parrikar to join meet in Delhi. State Election Commission raises ZP poll expenditure limit to 5 lakhs. No nota option on ballot paper, says delimitation by Panchayat's Directorate. Anti-gambling activist Captain Sawant brutally assaulted. Gang of 4 attacks whistleblower at Nachnola. Goa becoming dangerous for whistleblowers. Union government accepts 14th Finance Commission's recommendation. State share to rise by 10% from 32 to 42%. Not much boost for Goa under financial crunch. And government to take strict action against mining companies which have failed to submit financial record to CA. Government gives 7 days deadline. And now the news in detail. In a sudden development, top brass of state BJP rushed to Delhi on Tuesday evening. Highly placed sources in BJP revealed that discussion is being held in Delhi on continuation of alliance with the MGP. Most of the BJP MLAs are of the opinion that alliance should not continue not only for ZP polls but also for the assembly. The decision is expected by Wednesday evening.
Top BJP leaders rushed to Delhi on Tuesday evening to take final decision about alliance with the MGP. Following leaders have landed in Delhi: Lakshmikant Parsekar, Francis D'Souza, Rajendra Arlekar, Dayanand Mandrekar, Dilip Parulekar, Satish Dhond, Sanjeev Desai. Highly placed sources in the BJP say meeting with union leadership on alliance with MGP. Most BJP MLAs in favor of breaking alliance. Parrikar to join state leaders in Delhi for meeting. Discussion on alliance in government also. Party functionaries want to throw MGP out of government. Drop Sudhin Deepak from cabinet, says party leaders. Final decision expected by Wednesday evening. Strengthening of MGP in various BJP-ruled constituencies has irked their leadership. BJP leaders say Sudhin is utilizing his cabinet position to destabilize BJP MLAs. The push for throwing the Dhavlikar brothers out of cabinet is a result of the membership drive by the MGP. Bureau Report, Prudent.
State Election Commission has increased ZP election expenditure limit from 75,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees. Commissioner M. Mudassir informed that voting for ZP election would be on ballot papers, thus cutting down expenses by almost 4 crores. There will be no option of none of the above. Election Commission held a meeting with returning officers on Tuesday. Various issues like delimitation of ZP's polling booths, process of polling and counting were discussed in the meeting.
We are planning to keep the expenditure per candidate at 5 lakh rupees. Earlier in the last election, it was on non-party lines, it was 75,000. That question needs to be asked to people who have done delimitation. We have no powers to either reserve or delimit. No, the Panchayat Act says that, Goa Panchayat Act says that delimitation and reservation is the government. I think you better ask them. We had a meeting with ROs and AROs this evening, and mainly was why to incur 4.5-5 crores of rupees when we can do it with our good old ballot boxes. And there is a charm, whatever you may say, there is a charm in that old style voting. Nota nahi rahega abhi. Hamare yahan provision nahi hai.
For the ZP elections, for the first time, candidates have to submit B forms for poll being on party lines. ZP poll is scheduled on 18th March. Counting and results will be declared on 19th and 20th March. Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Goa is no more safe for the activists and whistleblowers. It's a second attack on activists in a fortnight. Assault on anti-gambling activist Captain Dattaram Sawant Monday night follows brutal attack on wildlife and animal activist Amrut Singh last week. A gang of 4 attacked Captain Dattaram on Monday night at Nachnola while he was on his way back home. His car was damaged. Captain was active against illegal gambling in Zatras.
काही मंदिराच्या पुढाऱ्याकडल्यान किंवा काही मंदिराच्या पदाधिकाऱ्याकडल्यान जत्रेनिमित्त देवाक निधी जमचो म्हणून पुलिसांक दुर्लक्ष करून थंय जुगार चलचो असो आग्रह धरणारे देवस्थानां ज्या वेळार आमी पळयतात त्या वेळार दुःख जाता.
This is what Home Minister Parsikar says, but the scene is altogether different. In Goa in recent times, activists are being attacked for raising voice against the illegalities as police turn a blind eye. Last week, Amrut Singh, a wildlife activist and an animal lover, was attacked by a gang at Cholla. Now it is Captain Sawant. Captain was vocal against illegal gambling in Zatras. Captain was travelling from Mapsa to Nachnola on Monday night when 4 persons on 2 motorbikes attacked him. He was beaten badly. His hand is fractured. Captain recognized the 4 persons. He suspects a gambler's gang.
नासनोडा कुंड्याकडे पावलो हांव थंय ते म्हाका कॉल येयले म्हणून हांवें गाडी उबी केली सायडीक आनी तेजेर हांव उलयतालो 9:17ची गोश्ट ही आनी उलयता थंय इतक्यान 2 मोटरसायकली म्हज्या फुडें उबी रावल्यो आनी धडाधड म्हज्या गाडयेचेर मारपाक सुरवात केली आनी फाटल्यान बी मारूंक सुरवात केली.
तुम्ही वळखता बी?
हय, तो एक गराड, ताजो भाव दुसरो तो गराड, मोहन गराड, अनिल केरकर, परशू, हे 4 जाण थंय. कित्याक हांवें तेंची हांगा काणक्या म्हाजेर अटॅक केल्ले जेन्ना 16 तारखेचा तेन्ना तेंचो जुगार बंद करपाक हांवें हें केलो.
Mapsa police have registered the case, but none nabbed yet. Captain has been fighting against illegal gambling in Zatras. Recently, he was on hunger strike, demanding action on gambling in Zatras. Attackers of Amrut Singh too are roaming freely, despite naming the suspects. Amrut Singh is active against illegal slaughtering of animals. And now Captain is attacked for raising his voice against the illegal gambling in Zatras. But police do not seem proactive to nab the attackers. Omkar Falari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.